Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you an amazing product that's been a total game changer for my hair. It's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Mask. If you are someone who's dealing with frizz knot or just want smooth, shiny hair, stick around cause this might be the answer you have been looking for. So this is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Mask. I have been using it for a couple of weeks now, and let me tell you, it's seriously amazing. It's the part of their Keratin Smooth collection, and it is packed with keratin and marula oil. Now let's talk about what this mask claims to do. According to Tresemme, it's supposed to give you 5 smoothing benefits in just one system. It fights frizz, detangles knots, adds softness, boosts shine. If you are looking me and deal with crazy frizz, this might be exactly what you need. Guys, using this mask is super easy. After shampooing, I just swap out my regular conditioner for this mask. Once or twice a week, you leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse it out. It's an intense moisturizing treatment, so it really helps seal in moisturizer, and most importantly, it does not weigh down my hair at all, which is huge plus. Now let's talk about my personal experience. My hair tends to get pretty frizzy, especially in humid weather, but after using this mask, I have noticed a big difference. My hair feels so much smoother and looks shinier. It's easier to manage, and I have had way less trouble with tangles, plus it smells amazing. One thing I really love about this product is that while it's make my hair super smooth, it still keep that natural movement I don't like when hair masks make my hair feel stiff or flat, and this definitely does not do that. It leaves my hair soft and bouncy. So guys, my final thoughts about this product, I had definitely recommended the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Mask. If you are looking for something that fight frizz, add shine and make your hair feel super smooth and manageable, whether you are dealing with humidity or just want to give your hair a boost, this mask is a great option. Its texture is also in creamy thick form, and it can be easily applied in your hair, and it washes off easily from your hair. It does not stick to your hair. Viewers, I love that it's affordable and gives you a salon like treatment at home. Plus, with the added mirola oil, it feels like you are giving your hair a real treat. So that's it for today review. If you have tried this mask or any of the other product from the Carrot and Smooth collection, let me know your thoughts in comments box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and hit the subscribe button for more beauty reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.